Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 1st and the chart of the day for today is the Nasdaq futures 60 minutes time frame. So the index has broken to new all-time high, and as you can see in the 1 hour time frame here, currently we should be expecting this cycle to complete soon, which is the short-term cycle from June the 23rd. From there we can get a pullback before it continues higher again. Now obviously, because it does make all-time high, then do not attempt to try to pick the high and to try to short sell, okay, something that breaks to new high, okay. And so currently this is the more aggressive view, calling for more upside against this low June 23rd. As long as this level holds, any pullback from the peak will continue to find support in 3711 swing. Looking at the daily, okay, so this is the low from the low of the tariff war, right? And this cycle is also kind of mature, okay. So if you look at the 1 hour earlier, so that's your wave 4 right here, so that's your wave 3, right? And that means this is your 1 and 2 here, something like that. So basically, no, actually the 1 and 2 is here, because this one is a 3 ways up here, right? So 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5, the subdivision of the 3 here. So this cycle is going to be ending soon as well, and this is the more aggressive view, calling the short-term cycle to finish 1 of 5. So no matter what, the cycle is mature, either short-term or medium-term, right? Short-term, the cycle should be ending. Medium-term, which is the cycle from April here, is also mature, right? So the expectation is extending higher within the wave 5. The alternate is that is your wave 5 already. Instead of 105, that's your wave 5. Then you will get a bigger pullback if that's the case. Not just correcting this short-term cycle, but correcting this medium-term cycle, looking for a bigger pullback in 3 ways like this, right, before higher again, okay. But again, it's always step by step, and for now we're calling extension high within wave 5 still, and therefore as long as this level holds, we continue to like the long side, and we continue to expect any kind of pullback short term to find support in 3711 for further upside extension. All right, so that's the update here. If you want to get more updates on Nasdaq or any other indices ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial. The link is in the description of the video. You can also check our website here, and the link also in the description, and then you can click this one to start your 14-day trial, and also check our educational classes here as well if you are completely new to Elliott Wave and want to learn more. All right, see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.